This video outlines recent deliveries that enable easier centralized control of Planning Analytics for Excel and Planning Analytics for Spreadsheet Services. These deliveries started with the October release, where we provide a way to configure parameters found in the TM1 Web config file. This gives you a centralized method to configure web sheet behavior. Depending on which version of Planning Analytics workspace you're using, you may need to activate the Spreadsheet Configuration option in the Features and Configuration area. In the Web Sheets panel, you'll have access to defined parameters that are usually found in the TM1 Web config file. It also includes a section to define custom parameters. The December release brought capabilities to centrally control the contents of the Cognos Office reporting file, which historically required changes on each user's PC. You'll find parameters to change some of the limits within Planning Analytics for Excel. The values shown are the current defaults. New parameters are available to allow administrators to control whether Planning Analytics for Excel users can create custom, dynamic, exploration, and quick reports. These settings won't override the file contents on each user's PC, but they will take priority over the individual settings on each PC. The March release brought additional controls to administrators. This release focused on exposing controls for the evaluation service. The evaluation service or evaluation server in Planning Analytics for Excel is a back-end processing component that handles the heavy lifting of executing, rendering, and recalculating complex multidimensional reports, such as universal reports and TM1 set, outside of the client's local Excel instance. In this version, we've added a new parameter called PAfE locale. When you define this parameter in the Custom Parameters section, it will override each user's PC regional settings. By setting the PAfE locale here, you can ensure that all users work with the same PAfE language, regardless of their individual system settings.